welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to bake a simple coffee cake. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. My measurement for 1 cup is 235 ml. So I have taken 2 cups. 2 cups of 235 ml of maida. Then we need half teaspoon of soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder. Then we need brown sugar or regular white sugar. I have taken 150 ml of brown sugar. Then for mixing the instant coffee powder, I have taken half cup of milk. Then I have taken 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter in room temperature. This is the 1 stick I have taken. Then we need 3 eggs. So let's see how we are going to bake this cake. First step, we have to mix the maida with baking powder and baking soda, and we have to sieve it. So let's see how we are going to do that. So now to this all-purpose flour or maida, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we need half teaspoon of baking soda, then we can mix it. Then we can start to sieve. For that I have taken 1 bowl and a siever. In that I am going to add this powder, so I am going to keep the oven for preheating at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. For making the coffee cake, first I am going to mix the instant coffee powder and the milk, and I am going to mix it. Make sure that the milk which you are adding in the room temperature, if you are boiling the milk, keep it for complete cool down and add it to the coffee powder. After we mix with coffee powder and milk, I am going to keep it aside. I didn't use the full milk. I have used only the half of the milk. So now I am going to beat the egg white and egg yolk. After beating the egg white, you can beat the egg yolk. So in a bowl, I am going to add first the room temperature butter. And the brown sugar and the vanilla essence. Then we can start to beat it. Now we can add the egg yolk which we beaten. Now I am going to add the powder little by little. Now I am going to add the egg white which we beaten. Now we can add the last batch of the powder and we can mix gently. Now I am going to add the coffee mixture. One way you can do folding with a spoon. Otherwise you can do with a hand whisk with a slow speed. Now the batter is ready, so I am going to bake it. For that I have taken baking pan. So for that I have taken 9-inch baking pan. I have greased with butter and I did lined with parchment paper. So now I am going to pour the batter for baking. Before pouring the batter, see the consistency. You have to see the consistency. Then if you want, you can add more sugar. I have added less sugar here. If you want, you can add more. If you feel your batter is a thick consistency, you can add little more butter or one more egg. Spread it everywhere. pat it to make sure that air bubbles are not inside. Now we can keep it for baking for 350 Fahrenheit preheated convection oven for 30 to 40 minutes. After 25 minutes of baking, the cake cooked well. It's cooked well inside. As you can see, there is no sediments in this stick. So I am going to keep it for complete cool down. Now the cake is completely cooled down. As you can see, it baked well. So now I am going to sprinkle some sugar powder. If you don't want, you can skip this step. After sprinkling the sugar powder, I am going to cut and see how the coffee cake looks and how the moisture. As you can see, it is very soft.